Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Bereal notification issue. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video. And make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to fix Bereal notification issue, the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store. And then on the search bar, just type in Bereal. And once it loads, here, check to see if there is an update button right next to Bereal app. And if there is an update button, simply tap on the update to update the app because the issue you might be facing is due to the older version. Now, once you have done that, your issue should be fixed, and if that doesn't fix the issue, the next thing what you can do is head over to the settings app and then scroll down and then tap on general. And once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. And here, depending on how much apps you have, it will take that time to load. And once it loads, scroll down until you find the Bereal app and simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you will get two options, that is Offload app and Delete app. Simply tap on the Offload app, and once you tap on it, here tap on Offload app once again to start the process. And what this does, it cleans and clears all the caches and bugs that are present in the Bereal app that might be causing the issue to occur. Now once that's done, instead of Offload app, you'll get an option that says Reinstall app. Simply tap on Reinstall app, and once that process is complete, restart your phone and then try again, and your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.